In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a Google Meet meeting, whether you're jumping into a quick call with friends, collaborating with colleagues, or attending a webinar. Mastering Google Meet is essential, plus it's simple. So let's get started. First things first, you'll want to navigate to Google Meet. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the URL meet.google.com. It's a good idea to bookmark this page if you frequently use Google Meet, as it provides quick access for future meetings. Once you're there, you'll find yourself on the Google Meet landing page. Here, you'll see a few different options, but don't worry, we'll guide you through exactly what you need to do next. When you're on the Google Meet page, it's time to select your meeting. If you've been invited to a meeting, you may already have a link shared with you. This link can be simply pasted into your browser's address bar and it should take you directly to the meeting area. Alternatively, if you have a meeting code, you can enter this into the appropriate box on the Google Meet page. It's located prominently on the screen, you can't miss it. Don't have a code or link right at hand? Make sure to check your email or messaging app for the invitation details sent by the meeting organizer. Once you've selected the appropriate meeting, the next step is to click on Join Now. But before you do, it's advisable to check your audio and video settings. This ensures you don't have any unwanted surprises, like a muted microphone or an off-center camera, when you join. On this screen, Google Meet usually provides a preview of your video, allowing you to make any necessary adjustments. Perhaps you need to fix your lighting or switch to a different camera. This is where you do it. Also, you may want to toggle the video off initially if you're joining a large meeting silently. It's these little touches that make your entry into a meeting smooth and professional. After you're satisfied with your setup and hit Join Now, you'll either be directly entered into the meeting or placed in a virtual waiting room depending on the organizer's settings. If you're waiting for approval, don't fuss. It's a common feature that ensures security and privacy for all meeting participants. Once approved, you'll see the familiar Google Meet interface where you'll be able to engage with other participants, share your screen, and enjoy all the collaborative features Google Meet has to offer. And there you have it, a simple, straightforward guide to joining a Google Meet meeting. Feel confident knowing you're ready to connect seamlessly with anyone, anywhere. Thanks for watching, and see you next time when we explore more digital tools.